In front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then you need to use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and tap on Power New Device. Then wait for available ones to show, and when they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!